Need unique floor and wall finishes for your home renovation? Why not consider ARDEX surfaces? ARDEX surfaces is an engineered cement-based surface that is practical and exquisite with designs, making it a leading brand with German technology. It not only works for floors but also with wall surfaces. ARDEX surfaces allow for a wide array of finished surfaces with a unique touch. A modern and timeless approach to the wall and floor surfacing range, perfect for artistic finishes that can match any designer's vision. ARDEX surfaces uses an exclusive self-drying technology that allows fast installation, which offers a real economic alternative to traditional methods without compromising quality. With the various design collection ARDEX has, it gives homeowners the versatility to choose among minimalistic, retro, industrial, and many other themes effortlessly. Every design is one of a kind as they are done and crafted by hand, resulting in the wall and floor finishing are unique to each home. ARDEX Academy offers a one-stop solution for all your renovation needs. Our very own experienced ARDEX-trained applicators will be there to meet all your requirements for your dream home through our dedicated technical service team at ARDEX Academy. Get the best surfaces by ARDEX, providers of high-performance building materials. Click on the link below to find out more.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.